Good morning, guys. I want to share with you my goals this cycle, just so you guys could be aligned with them if you guys choose so, because we just did a big future forecast for all of our members, and I think you guys are going to resonate with this. By the way, my hair has been so jacked up this morning, so I realized I did the full future forecast. It looked crazy, so anyways, apologize about that. Guys, here's the deal. I really do believe we are coming into the alt season, and it is going to start happening here pretty quickly. You know, the thoughts of Bitcoin dominance shooting all the way back up to 71%, I'm not on board with that. I don't think that's going to happen this cycle. I think we're actually far closer to a shift of Bitcoin dominance going back down. And altcoins actually appreciating here pretty quickly. But here's what I want to talk about, guys. And I said at the end of the future forecast, so a little bit of a spoiler alert, but we'll save all the good stuff over there at Trade Confident. Guys, my goal this cycle is really this. It is to be in a place after 2025 where I am not waking up every morning trying to figure out how to make money. I want to exchange making money for making memories with my family. I've got a 1.5-year-old, I've got a 3.5-year-old, and we have another baby on the way. And I want to be able to set myself up in a way this cycle where the money that we have in our crypto portfolio is placing us in a position that we are able to go into a time where I am not having to worry about making money and I can just think about making memories with my family. So that's what we do at Trade Confident. Now, we don't do this all on YouTube here. I share with you guys a lot what we do, but we do this in our membership over at in the future forecast and such like that. So let me just explain to you guys what I just did this morning with all of our members. If you guys find this interesting, you guys can subscribe. If not, you can move on to the next YouTube video. That's totally fine. But what I want to do this morning is really just cover why I believe alt season is right around the corner. And really, I think we are going to spring upwards into spring. And I'm going to show this to you guys from a chart that has over 5,000 data points that looks at the past 11 years of Bitcoin, of what it's done every single day, percentage increase or decrease. And then we're going to look at the bullish cycles of 17 and 21. Okay? There are a lot of pieces of data, guys, that say that XRP is nowhere close to being done. XLM is nowhere close to being done. And I showed this with you guys yesterday in our Telegram. If you guys are part of the free Telegram, that's in the description as well. That XLM was diverting from XRP. And I even saw online people saying, I'm selling my XLM because I'm going to buy XRP. And I mentioned to you guys, no, XLM is going to do fantastic coming up here. And I do believe XLM is going to actually outperform in percentage return to investors over XRP. Because if you guys take a look at where XRP is at and you go back to the high, it's 40%. If you look at XLM, it's over 100% back to its high. Okay, I believe we've drained XLM and it is going to be an absolute massive runner here coming up here. So what I've done this morning, I know I'm kind of just touching the iceberg here, is that in the future forecast, I've shown you guys the full game plan, the entire game plan of everything I've invested into, how I plan on scaling out of this market all the way into the end of alt season, and showing you guys all the areas of where I plan on taking money out and just putting it into the bank. Okay, and exactly what I'm holding. I think you guys will get a lot out of this because what's going to happen here is, let me see if I can do a little whiteboard session real quick for you guys, because this is very important. When Bitcoin dominance ends up dropping, which is called BTC.D, and this is what you guys should be doing. If you guys have your TradingView watch list, go and add BTC.D. And if this is red in the morning, let me go like this. If this is red at the top, and you guys have the ticker, just put BTC USD underneath this, and this is green. I've taught this cheat code to our subscribers. It's kind of fun. If you guys see BTC.D red and BTC USD green, most likely what is happening to your altcoin bag is it is flying through the roof. Altcoins, okay? Altcoins. If you guys are brand new, you need to understand how altcoins move. When Bitcoin USD goes up, okay, it's going in higher in value, but Bitcoin dominance, which governs how much money is in all the different cryptocurrencies, when that goes down, this is where your altcoins usually appreciate massively, okay? This is partly why this morning you guys are seeing the altcoins do so well, because we've got Bitcoin dominance actually dropping and Bitcoin is going up. So see this? When this is red and this is green, your altcoins are usually doing well, and they're usually always outperforming Bitcoin. Okay, so we're starting to see the market turn around here. And I've showed this to you guys, like SHIB, guys, we're breaking these descending support lines here and we're breaking to the upside. I didn't show this on Algorithm, I showed this on XRP. We're breaking XRP to the upside. That's massively bullish. XLM, we're breaking this to the upside. That's bullish. And even if we look at this over here, which I called out in Telegram, I said once we break this, we're probably going to start looking to be bullish. Even Solana has actually broken its descending support line here. Resistance here, and we're starting to move back up. So a lot of the technical analysis on cryptocurrency here is starting to show us that we could start moving back up and be quite bullish. Is there one more drop of liquidity? Maybe, to grab long trades, but I do think overall we're heading upwards. And I want to build an entire case this morning. This video I think is about, it's 43 minutes, and it goes chart to chart to chart to chart to show you guys the bullishness. And then we're going to do a small XRP masterclass as well and show you guys where I believe XRP is going to top out. And I'm not trying to be arrogant by this. I really do think we have the best chart to show you guys where XRP is going to top. Because we're using Pi cycle, we're using the RSI, and we're using the 3 different stages that XRP goes through, which also ISO goes through in the bull markets. And if you guys can find that resistance line in those targets, that's a place where I think a lot of people should look to scale out. Okay, and I know everyone's like, hold your XRP forever. I think we're going to hit a resistance here and we're going to see a pretty massive drop. And then we're going to see another move back up. And I'm going to look to reaccumulate on that drop. So I'll show you guys where that is. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys from a bullish perspective where we're expected to go for Bitcoin, because our algorithm literally called the bottom here a few days ago, and we said we're looking to turn around, and we've started to turn around since then. And I'm going to give you guys the full projection for the rest of the year of what Bitcoin is looking like it's expected to do for the rest of the year, and show you guys the next 2 dates where Bitcoin is expected to peak and see massive drops back down, so you can write them down. You can have them on your calendar, because we are actually looking to scale out at those areas to then put money in the bank and potentially reaccumulate for the next move back up. If you can time these markets cyclically and have this data on your side, I really think you guys are going to do well. Okay. And again, the goal is for me to get through this bull market, make enough money where I can transition, where I'm not waking up every day and thinking about how do I have to make money, but how can I make memories with my family? And I'm going to lead myself through this. And I think you guys will find a lot through the future forecast. So real quickly, there's a link in the description. I'll do a pop-up at the end of this video, guys. We're giving everyone 25% off the membership. Come in here, snag that, and we will give you guys just full access to all the memberships here. Obviously, we have trade setups as well. We are literally 283 wins, 0 losses, and 15 trades called out. I just called out 3 trades yesterday. It's the highest profit we've ever called out, is a 20% profit on 3 different trades, and those are actually very close to, they're some of them are about 3 to 4% in profit already, and I think we're going to blast up here pretty quickly. So you can take a look at those as well. Obviously, we have indicators, and we go live with everybody every single month in our inner circle. Okay, guys, this is a community where I think you're really going to be blessed and get a lot of data where I look at both sides of the coin, bearish and bullish. So yeah, guys, I'm excited to see you. Enjoy the videos here, but definitely get over here and watch the future forecast when you guys have some time today on February 11th, because I really think it will bless you guys and give you a full game plan of how to exit this bull market with your shirt and not round trip it all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. I love you guys. Have a good one. Everything is linked in the description. I'll see you guys in the future forecast. Bye.